In the latest news, the ongoing war between Threads and Twitter has reached unprecedented levels, captivating the attention of users worldwide. Twitter has threatened legal action against Meta over the new text-based app Threads less than 24 hours after its launch, news outlet Semaphore reported. In a letter sent to Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg, Twitter's lawyer Alex Spiro has accused the company of using the latter's trade secrets by hiring dozens of former employees of the Bluebird app. Reacting to the news, Twitter owner Elon Musk on Friday said that he supported competition, but not cheating. Replying to a news article about the same on Twitter, Musk wrote, "Competition is fine, cheating is not." Spiro, who is also Musk's personal lawyer, has alleged in the letter that Meta had engaged in systematic, willful, and unlawful misappropriation of Twitter's trade secrets and other intellectual property to develop Threads. Twitter claimed that its former workers still had access to its confidential information, which was taken advantage of to build a copycat app in violation of both state and federal law. Twitter intends to strictly enforce its intellectual property rights and demands that Meta take immediate steps to stop using any Twitter trade secrets or other highly confidential information, Spiro wrote in the letter. He added that it is a formal notice for Meta to preserve documents relevant for a potential dispute between the companies. Andy Stone, Meta spokesperson, in a Threads post, asserted that the engineering team at Threads does not consist of any former Twitter employees. Twitter CEO Linda Yaccarino, in an apparent reference to Threads, tweeted, "We're often imitated, but the Twitter community can never be duplicated." The lawsuit action is perhaps the clearest sign yet that Musk considers Zuckerberg's Twitter killer app as a real threat. Threads, which aims to take on Twitter by leveraging Instagram's billions of users, racked up more than 30 million signups within about 18 hours of its Wednesday launch. It comes at a time when many are looking for Twitter alternatives to escape Musk's chaotic handling of the platform since acquiring it last year for $44 billion. Thanks for watching our video about Threads, the hottest social media platform around. Don't miss out on joining the conversation. Download Threads today and start connecting with people who share your interests. Like and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.